hi friends, I'm just frying this crispy fish. So I just cut it into pieces like that, which is a fillet fish. So I put some flour. You can put like this thing, maida, the white flour that you have, white flour. And you can put some gram flour also in it. And if you like, if you like to put, you can put some semolina, or you can put a little bit breadcrumbs here, and you put some pepper and salt in that flour, and you can keep it in the on the freezer dough. Yeah, see how well it is fried. So when you keep in the freezer dough, you take some when you are frying your fish, and you put some in the bowl like this, and take each one, like just dust it over there and keep it to the side. Yeah, and now you fry in a hot oil, and then you make it slightly slow. Yeah, so I'm frying this because I've also made dal. Yeah, so dal and rice. So the dal is here. It's got a big box of dal is here. See, I keep the dal. Yeah, so it doesn't get spoiled. So I will keep it like this. See how I keep the dal. Yeah. So there's dal and there's rice and fried fish and some salad here. So I'm just sharing with you. So do like this. Yeah. So I put flour. You can put gram flour also. Basin you can put. That's called basin. So I'm frying that. You can use any fish, yeah. There's no need of fillet. If you have the full fish, like you can do that same thing. So it will come crispy. You can put gram flour, or if you have wheat flour, you can use wheat flour. There's no hard and fast rule, yeah. And what proportion you can take exactly. More of the flour, a little bit of gram flour, yeah. So now I'm frying things so well. Then I'll put it in that box here. Yeah, so just sharing with you, so I'm turning now. Yeah, and also, yeah, so now I turned it, see now it's fry nice. Don't touch it, just leave it like that. Yeah, so I had this paper, I just put in this hand towel thing. So why not, because I have so many just things here, okay? So more later, yeah. Bye for now.